Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina, and if you are new, I'm so happy you decided to visit my channel. In today's video, I thought I would show you a bit of my summer decor, and if you are a subscriber or a viewer and you have followed me for a while, when I say summer decor, you may think, Nina, didn't you tell us that you don't decorate for summer? And I don't decorate for summer like the other ladies on YouTube do. Summer is my kind of off season when it comes to decorating. I work mainly outside and do things in the garden and keeping up the property. But of course I have some decor, and going into fall I felt that it was strange of me to do that without kind of showing you how my house look now before I start taking it down and decorating again. Some of you may have seen my Easter decor videos, and you know that what you see behind me was part of my Easter decor, or my Easter tablescape. And as you also then may know, I have built a kind of a pergola-ish construction and a big tree. I will take you off the tripod and show you, but I decided that I wanted to do this tree and this setup for all the 4 seasons, just to see how that is. And what I did for Easter, and as you see, it's much of the same setup. I just changed out a few things. In my house, Easter is pink, so it's easy to go from Easter to spring and summer. So I just did it very simple, and as I said, my house needs a lot of TLC going forward, because in summertime it is neglected. We are running in and out with our boots on, and the dogs are running in and out, so it's usually a mess all summer. So yeah, but I thought I would show you. So this is my tablescape and my beautiful, at least I think so, eucalyptus and magnolia tree that you saw at Easter. And all I did to kind of make it more summery was that I took down, there were some pink Easter eggs and some birds' nests, so I have taken those out, and I have changed the table settings a bit with, instead of Easter eggs and what I had for Easter, I have this napkins with summer flowers and a rose and a daisy, and I've also added daisies and some butterflies, both in glass like this one, and these were all I could. I know they are really cheap looking, but it was all I could find. So not my best work, but it has worked for summer. I have to admit that I'm still not tired of this tree. I think it's beautiful, and it's a bit sad to take it down, but at the same time I'm looking forward to trying to make this beautiful tree with fall colors. I also bought some new pillows. Not sure I like those here. I like the pillows, but this is me in summertime. I buy decor and just shove it in, and then I later think about how I want to use it. But what I did purchase this summer was this beautiful vase. It was at least twice the size of what I thought it was. So it's really big. And I bought this large one. I actually wanted a white one, but they were not on sale. The pink was, so I bought those instead, or the pink were, and a smaller one. So, and again, just bought them and and kind of shoved them in, and yeah. I have to think about how to use these later in a beautiful way. My tray that also had Easter decor, I just took out the Easter eggs and used some roses and daisies to make it look more summery. And try not to make you dizzy. And on my fireplace mantle, I've done the same. Just taken out the Easter bits and put in some daisies and butterflies. Yeah. For the rest of my house, I've done the same. This too was here for Easter. Just took out the Easter decor. And in my bathroom, I changed out some of the... Yeah, I tried to put in some coastal decor. Not sure I succeeded with anything here. I just think everything looks a bit messy. As I said, my house is really neglected in summertime, and my living room is the same. It has seen better times. The branch that I decorate for, I'm running out of beautiful butterflies. Butterflies. It has been so difficult to find beautiful butterflies, but that's what I do for summer. I just decorate it with different butterflies, and this is my everyday decor. So on the table, and with some pink pillows. I haven't styled my house or anything for this kind of tour, but yeah, just wanted you to see that this is my everyday house in summertime. The same for my kitchen. I have not decorated anything here. It's just my kind of everyday look. Okay guys, that was a short and strange video, but I just wanted you to see how my house is looking now before I take my summer decor down. 1 year, or it is my goal to also be doing beautiful summer decor, but for now we have too much to do outside, so yeah, this is how it is for now. But going forward, it's going to be a lot more decorating on my channel, and we are of course starting with fall. So my next video will be me probably turning this pink tree into a beautiful fall tree. So please be safe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!